When you want to share a screen in Zoom, try this. Go to the Advanced tab and click on Portion of Screen. This feature allows you to share a part of your screen rather than the whole thing, especially when you are sharing a portion of the screen that people can see better. It's a great alternative than using what's on your entire widescreen monitor. This is a great application for those of you who share website content or documents with a lot of text, and you want to zoom in on a certain portion. You can adjust the frame accordingly, either the left side or the right side, and you can size it down to an actual part of the screen that you want to zoom into. You'll notice that the frame around the area is green when it's shared. If it's amber, then it's just on pause until you release your mouse pointer. When you go to the share screen preview, you can see exactly what's confirmed. That is the portion of screen. You can always go back to sharing your entire screen again using the Screens tab at the top. This share screen floating toolbar shows you with the preview right under that area where it says you are screen sharing.